The Doogee VMAX LR Pro versus the Oukitel WP100 Titan. Which of the two 5G rugged phones is equipped with the best specs? In this video, we're going to compare the top specs of both devices to find out. If you're new here and you're interested in the latest tech updates, then make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So there you have it, guys, the Oukitel WP100 Titan versus the Doogee VMAX LR Pro. The Oukitel WP100 Titan costs about $700, while the VMAX LR Pro, even though it's not released yet, I'm expecting it to cost about $500 to $600. Rugged phones are not getting any cheaper. They are getting really expensive. But what do you guys think? Okay, feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.